My mum is strong. She's the most caring, patient, understanding, supportive person I know.
Completely insane. She's actually insane, but adorably insane. She makes me laugh so much. She's really creative and generous and kind, and she can relate to people so easily. She always kind of sees the bigger picture.
Fun, courageous, hardworking, adventurous, caring.
I can tell her anything. There's no barriers and there's nothing I feel like I can't talk to her about.
I think it's got to be her laugh, because when she finds something funny, sometimes she'll do this cackle, which is absolutely hilarious. She kind of loses control.
My favourite thing about Mum is that she always thinks about the little details when it comes to people.
I try to model myself after her. You know, growing up I'd always see her be so kind to people. If someone did her wrong, it was always a forgive, don't hold on to anger. And it was just such a beautiful way to live.
My favourite memory of my mum is that she used to walk me to nursery every day, and we used to have our little favourite song that we'd sing, which was called Lollipop.
We'd just come out of the cinema watching The Goblet of Fire, and we were in a car park waiting to be picked up. And she was a bit teary because Cedric Diggory died. And I was like, oh God, what are you going to be like when Dumbledore dies? She was like, Dumbledore dies?
Everything always happens for a reason. That's not, it's not your time for that to happen yet. Something better is around the corner. That's always her piece of advice. That's always her comfort.
Really funny. And she can also take a joke very well.
I really like how silly she is. She's just a lot of fun. She works with children and you can kind of tell, but in a good way.
At the end of the day, you've got to do what makes you happy.
Something she always says to me is, violence is the answer, which is an interesting piece of advice. She's not like running around punching people, but it always makes me laugh every time she says it, and I always know she's going to say it.
I would tell her that I miss her more, because sometimes I'm scared that she doesn't know that.
I think I should tell my mum more that I love her and that I'm grateful for everything that she's ever done for me, especially when I was younger as a single parent, because I know that was hard.
I hope I'm kind of half the person that she is.
Lisa.
Maggie.
Ali Roberts.